Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today we are at Creekside Nursery and I'm getting all my fertilizer for the year. So behind me we have holly tone, biotone, rose tone, and plant tone. So for the plant tone I'm going to use for all my evergreens such as my sprinter boxwoods and my emerald green arborvitaes and my cryptomeria trees. And the holly tone, which is right there, I'm going to use for all my hollies. So I have several hollies. I have the Oakland leaf hollies and some Nellie Stephen hollies that I'm going to use for that as well. And for everything else, I have rose tone somewhere. Rose tones right here. So for the rose tone, I'm going to use for my hydrangeas, my limelight hydrangeas, and all my roses that I have. And if you can't find any of this stuff at your local nurseries, which Creekside has all this great Espoma products right now, but if you can find plant tone, like right here, that's the plant tone right there. If you could only find that, go ahead and do that, and you can use that for everything. So I'm here at opening day at Creekside Nursery, and up there is where all her annuals and some perennials are, and I've already grabbed some and I'm starting to dream about what I'm going to put in my front yard. And I've been trying to grab Jenny for the last hour, but she's super busy talking to everybody. She's a popular girl right now. But like I said, this is the nursery. I'm at Creekside and I already grabbed a few perennials from the perennial lot. And this is all the fertilizer that was right behind me. So the water soluble fertilizer is what I use for all my annuals, my super petunias. And when I plant, I use the slow release fertilizer there as well. And like I said, they have all the holly tones here. Holly tone, plant tone, biotone. I use this in everything that I plant with. And if you have a garden, tomato tone and garden tone as well. And plant tone is a good overall use for everything. And then I use a lot of rose tone. So actually today I got 2 plant tones, 1 holly tone, 1 biotone, and I got 2 rose tones. I believe that's it for my purchase today.
We're waiting until March